Today on How To Blinds, we're going to show you how to install your precision roller blind. First, we'll mark out our drill holes to fit the brackets. Each bracket drill hole position must be 75mm from both sides of the recess. And now we'll ensure the brackets are far enough away from the window frame so the blind doesn't hit any window or door handles. Now we'll drill our bracket positions and insert our plugs. Now you can screw in your brackets, ensuring the tab is between the blind and the window frame. Now we can clip our cassette into the brackets and check the blind is operational. And that's how to install your Louvalite Precision Blind. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.